Hi guys, I'm titled Heavy Tech Leaks, and today video is about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and it's a very good news for my subscriber that I'm going to give away this phone specially for my subscribers. And here's a 5G version, as you can see here, and it's a 256 GB memory, and it's 12 gigabyte RAM. It's a mystic brown color here, as you can see the paper. So guys, here you can see the main unit. Here we got the fast charger. And we got the cable, data cable here. So data cable and the AKG headphones, sorry, with the buds, extra buds here. Nothing here. So this is SIM toolkit and some accessory, warranty card paper, something like that. So guys, this unit is never on before, so I will just show you guys that this is original unit and it's not the fake one. So and later on I will upload some sample of the photos and compare with the iPhone X Max and some other phones. You can see that, guys. So guys, this giveaway is especially for my subscribers, and please give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will give in the description that what are the terms for this giveaway. This is from the Asia version. This is the Asia version. It's not come with the Snapdragon. It's come with the Exynos, but it's got 12 gig of RAM and it's a 5G version. So guys, do subscribe to my channel and please give a like to this video. Thanks for watching. So guys, when you hold this phone in your hand, it's feels so premium, and it's like Samsung created a best device ever. A very premium phone, very premium look, very beautiful. Here I'm going to show you guys that how you can check the RAM and the memory inside. Here you can see the storage is 256 GB, and the memory is 12 gigabyte.